Hey guys, today let's try to check locked folder on Google Photos. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the Google Photos application. Now I'm going to take you to this step by step. So all we need to go ahead and do first is basically once you launch your Google Photos app, you should see this option called Library. I want you to go ahead and tap on that. So tap on your library, and what you should see is something like this right here. So once you tap on your library tab, let's go ahead and tap on Utilities next. And once you've already tapped on Utilities, the option for you to access your locked folders is going to be located onto the bottom part of your screen. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down real quick. Just wait a moment. And as you would see, we do have the locked folder right here. Please bear with me with basically recording this video. But basically, the locked folder is going to be located over here. Just go ahead and just tap on that, input your password, or scan your Face ID, and you could now locate where your locked folder is. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.